Hello everyone. So far we have talked about the respiratory passage or the air entering into different parts of the human respiratory system. Now let us talk about in detail how the exchange of gases happen in millions of alveoli inside our lungs. So this is a detailed diagram of a singular alveolus. This is a singular or single alveolus. You can see a very thin membrane or thin wall of alveolus. This is surrounded with thin wall of capillary or capillary. As you can see from the top, the blood is coming from pulmonary artery, is carbon dioxide rich blood, also known as deoxygenated blood. Then in the diagram you can see these circular or disc shaped structures. These are red blood corpuscles. As we all know, red blood corpuscles contain hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is also known as respiratory pigment. Now why so? Because hemoglobin present in red blood corpuscles helps to transport the oxygen to various parts of the body. Now since this blood is rich in carbon dioxide here, therefore the carbon dioxide concentration is higher here as compared to this region inside the alveolus. As a result of diffusion, which is a process of transfer of substances from their higher concentration to the lower concentration, hence the carbon dioxide from its higher concentration here, it will diffuse into here, into the alveolus, and finally the carbon dioxide will diffuse out. On the contrary, this inside the alveolus inhaled air comes in, it is rich in oxygen. So the concentration of oxygen here is more than here. As a result, the oxygen diffuses into the capillary. Then it combines with the hemoglobin to form oxyhemoglobin, and then it is transported to different parts of the body. Now this oxygenated blood is the blood which is going to the pulmonary vein, which will be collected by the left side of the heart, the left upper chamber of the heart. Now this blood, because it is rich in oxygen, also known as oxygen rich blood or oxygenated blood. Now let us look at how the oxygen and carbon dioxide are being transported. Maximum percentage or 97 to 99% of the oxygen, it combines with hemoglobin, which is written as Hb, and forms oxyhemoglobin. So most of the oxygen, because it has greater affinity to hemoglobin, it combines and it is transported in which form? Oxyhemoglobin. However, a smaller portion or fraction of oxygen is also transported in the dissolved form. Approximately 1 to 3% of the oxygen is being transported in our body in dissolved form because it is less soluble in water. So this was about oxygen. Let us also see about carbon dioxide. Now since the carbon dioxide gas is more soluble in water, hence it is transported in our bodies in the form of bicarbonates dissolved in plasma. However, a smaller portion of or fraction of carbon dioxide also combines with hemoglobin Hb here and form carbaminohemoglobin. So carbon dioxide is transported in these two forms, bicarbonates, majority of carbon dioxide, and a smaller portion of carbon dioxide in the form of carbaminohemoglobin. Oxygen, majority in the form of oxyhemoglobin by combining it with the respiratory pigment present in the red blood cells, that is hemoglobin. However, some of the portion of oxygen also transported in our body in the dissolved form. Right? So this is the whole detailed exchange, detail of exchange of gases happening at the alveolus. Thank you.